Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are talking about web design tools and the topic is Webflow versus Framework. Both are modern platforms for building websites and both are very powerful. But which one is the king in this interactive web design? So let's find out. And before we start, please remember to check the description below this video. I have included special links for the free trial and discount link, so don't forget to use them after watching this video. So let's get started. First, what are these platforms? Webflow is a no-code website builder that has been growing fast for many years. It is famous for giving designers full control over a layout. And it's not work only on layout, it's work on animations and responsive design. And other side, Framer started as a design tool, but now in this year it is also a website builder. It focuses on interactive and modern websites with beautiful animations. Now let's compare them. When we look at ease of use, both Webflow and Framer need some learning, so they are not as simple as Wix or GoDaddy, but Framer feels like a little easier, especially at the starting, because it has many ready-made templates and with just drag and drop you can complete your website. Now Webflow takes more time to learn, but it gives you more control in the long run. So next thing is the design power. Webflow is very flexible. You can design almost anything: custom layout, animation, advanced interaction. Other side, Framer is also strong, especially for animations and modern style websites. In fact, Framer is often faster if you want a creative site with smooth transitions. So both are strong, but Webflow gives more professional control while Framer gives faster creativity. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing. Both tools are not the cheapest. Framer has the lower entry plans and you can publish fast. Webflow can feel more expensive, but it is more complete for professionals. So for quick project, Framer is cheaper, but for big and business project, Webflow is more worth it. Finally, let's talk about who should use what. If you are a designer who wants full control and you are ready to learn, then Webflow is a better choice. If you want creativity and a modern interaction website quickly, then Framer is an amazing option in this year. So the final result is Webflow is the king in the professional control and Framer is the king in fast and creativity. So it depends on what you want and what is your preferences. So that was the video for today. Now I hope you understand the difference and the working process of Webflow and Framer. So I hope this video was helpful. So if this video was helpful for you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.